Good morning, students. Today's topic is Poem 6 Aunt Jennifer's Tiger. Poem 6 Aunt Jennifer's Tiger, composed by Andren Rich. See about the poet. Andren Rich was an American poet, essayist, and feminist. Feminist means a person or a lady who always favor the woman. So, Andren Rich was an American poet, essayist, and feminist. She was called one of the most widely read and influential poets of the second half of 20th century. She was involved in women's movement as a poet and theorist. She was born on 16th May 1929 and died in 2012 on 17th March in USA. I would like to give you introduction about the poem. This poem addresses limits, constraints of married life a woman experience. It tells unhappy experience of marriage. Here aunt is not free. She is under pressure of her husband. She afraid of her husband. She wants to live freely and fearlessly like the tigers that are shown, that are drawn in the panel or on the piece of cloth. Here Aunt Jennifer makes embroidery of sleek chivalric tigers. Thus she expresses her inner feelings. Now see the poem. Poem is very small, composed in three small stanzas. We can call it a triplet. I would like to read the lines. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across a screen. Bright topaz denizens of a world of green. They do not fear the men beneath the tree. They pace in sleek chivalric certainty. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band sits heavenly upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. When aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie, still ringed with ordeals she was mastered by. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. See some difficult words, vocabulary of this poem. Prance, P-R-A-N-C, prance means jump over, छलांग लगाना. Across means from one side to other side, यानी एक साइड से दूसरे साइड की तरफ, उस पार. Screen, screen means a wall or we can say a screen of a cloth, पर्दा, पर्दा we can say. Topaz, topaz means a transparent yellow stone. A transparent yellow stone which is used in jewelries. पीला पुखराज we can say. Denizens, denizens means dwellers, निवासी, वहाँ के रहवासी. Pace, P-A-C, pace means run fast, दौड़ लगाना. Sleek, sleek means shining and well groomed, चिकने और बने ठने. It is that sleek tigers, shining and well groomed. Chivalric, chivalric means honorable and brave, शौर्यपूर्ण. ओके, या उदार मन के, ब्रेव, चिवेलरिक. आइवोरी, आइवोरी मीन्स मेड ऑफ एलिफेंट टस्क, हस्ती दंत से बना हुआ, दैट इज आइवोरी. मैसिव मीन्स वेरी हेवी, बहुत भारी. बैंड, बैंड मीन्स स्ट्रिप. रिंज विथ मीन्स सराउंडेड बाय, घिरी हुई. ऑर्डिल्स, ऑर्डिल्स मीन्स हार्ड सॉरोफुल एक्सपीरियंस, कठोर दुखी अनुभव. देन मास्टर्ड बाय मीन्स कंट्रोल्ड बाय आर पुट अंडर प्रेशर, नियंत्रित करना या कंट्रोल में रखना, दबाव में रखना, दैट इज मास्टर्ड बाय. एंड पैनल, पैनल मीन्स बोर्ड या फलक. नाउ सी डिटेल समरी ऑफ दिस पोएम. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू इन अ वेरी सिंपल वे, in a very simple language. The poet depicts means describes a lady. Her name is given here in this poem, Aunt Jennifer. She says that aunt is making embroidery on a piece of cloth. This cloth this cloth is placed on a table as a tablecloth or hang on a wall. Once again I am telling, the poet is describing here a lady. The name of that lady is Aunt Jennifer. Now the poet says that aunt is making embroidery on a piece of cloth. This cloth is placed on a table as a tablecloth or hang on a wall. She draws beautiful, bright like topaz and chivalric tigers. These tigers are fearless and completely free. Means these tigers are completely free. They are fearless. They are not under pressure of anyone else. They prance over. Prance means छलांग लगाना, जंप करना. They prance over a screen. यानी जो स्क्रीन पे वो टाइगर बनाए हैं, ऐसे लगता है कि वो स्क्रीन के बाहर छलांग लगाएंगे. It means they run majestically in the forest. She compares the tigers with shining yellow topaz. A shining yellow topaz. What is this topaz? Already I told you at the time of explaining vocabulary. A shining yellow topaz means pila pukraj, which is used in jewelry. A shiny yellow transparent stone used in a jewelry. So here the poet compares the tiger with shining yellow topaz. Tigers are brave and fearless. There are men standing under a tree, but the tigers don't afraid them. Might be there, that means men, they are hunters, but tiger, they don't afraid the men. Here the tigers which are designed by aunt are fearless, but she herself is fearful. Means the tigers are woven by Aunt Jennifer. Tigers are made by Aunt Jennifer, and the tiger which are made by Aunt Jennifer, they are fearless, but Aunt Jennifer, she herself is fearful. She gets afraid of her husband. Now the poet expresses fear of Aunt Jennifer to her husband. She afraids of her husband while weaving embroidery. Her fingers are trembling and she finds it quite hard to pull even the ivory needle. Means that much fearful she was. Means she was not able to play her fingers. She was not able to take out her fingers. She was not able to pull her fingers due to fear. Now the poet expresses her fear. The poet expresses fear of Aunt Jennifer to her husband. She afraids of her husband while weaving embroidery. Her fingers are trembling and she finds it quite hard to pull even the ivory needle. It is not known to her husband about the hobby of embroidery of Aunt Jennifer, and she is embroidering without permission of her husband. Later the poet describes her wedding band, means wedding ring, which was gifted by Uncle Jennifer, means Aunt Jennifer's husband. Here aunt feels a burden to wear this wedding band. Instead of being happy to wear that wedding ring, wedding band, she feels that wedding band as a burden because she was not happy with her husband. Her husband may be physically and mentally harass and torture her a lot. Hence, she feels wedding band as a burden instead of feeling proud to wear it as a symbol of marriage. It means that this ring is related and connected with the cruel behavior of her husband. The poet says that anyone can understand the strong desire and feeling of Aunt Jennifer for freedom and fearlessness through the design of tigers. Again, the poet says that it is not possible for aunt to receive freedom and happiness, fearlessness during her life. When she is alive, it was not possible to get these things. She also says that she would not be free even after her death, as she would be in a prison of her husband in form of a wedding band. It is a symbol of her torture and unhappiness. On the contrary, the tigers designed by ant on a piece of cloth would live freely forever with proud. The design would always express the wish of tiger of living a life of dignity, freedom, freeness, respect and proud. Thank you students.